Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locating the precise failure reason, not guessing. Open the SQL Server Error log and Windows application log to read the 18,456 state code. That code tells you the why. Once done, confirm whether the instance uses Windows or SQL Server authentication and make changes in SSMS if required. Next, validate the specific login. Check that the account exists, is enabled, and its password isn't expired. These steps move you from symptom to diagnosis immediately. Now you act on the diagnosis. Open security logins in SSMS and inspect the user mapping and default database. A missing or offline default database commonly causes 18,456. Make sure the login has appropriate server and database roles, and verify there are no SID mismatches for orphan users. At the same time, confirm the SQL Server service is running under the intended account. Network protocols are enabled, and firewall rules allow the client. These affect authentication handshakes and must be correct for success. Finish by applying the fix you identified. Reset the SQL login password or re-enable the account, change the default database to master if needed, and update authentication mode, then restart the service only when required. After changes, test with SSMS or SQL CMD using the same client conditions to confirm a successful login. If it still fails, recheck the 18,456 state code. Inspect the SQL service account and Windows security audit logs for denied logon events. That single tip usually points to remaining issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.